Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be going over the Shark Rocket cordless vacuum. It is a stick vacuum from Shark, which is a really good brand. It's very popular. It's got really nice feedback on all their products, especially the Rocket line of vacuums. Inside the box, we have a very neatly packaged vacuum. First, it's the wand. There are two pieces to it. You just click the two sticks together and you create one main wand for this vacuum. Then this is the charger. The crevice tool, which helps a lot cleaning couches or corners. Main vacuum body. And a large dust canister. The main motorized vacuum head has a really nice design and lights in the front. The canister just pops in like this here. It's right there. To release it, you just press this button. To empty the contents and the debris from here, you don't need to remove the canister. All you do is just press the button over here and release and dump everything out. So here we have the whole vacuum assembled, and this is the crevice tool attachment. Super easy to control. This is an off position, then the bare floor position, and then carpeted floors. And this trigger right here is to boost the power. So if you turn it on and then press this, it turns on the power booster, and that increases the suction. That's great in areas where there's a lot of pet hair. Battery level indicator right here. Turn it on and it shows the battery level. So let's go ahead and test it out. Shark Rocket stick vacuums have been our favorite for a long time. We first had the corded one, now we got the cordless. And what we especially love is that it is top rated. We understand how important it is to have a good product in your home that will last and that will do the job. And Shark Rocket does not disappoint. It is rated one of the top stick vacuums that are priced under $300. This also offers a very good quality and great power. It has the hyper velocity suction, which provides incredible cleaning performance for everyday messes and high traffic areas. It's got the built-in lithium-ion battery, which allows for up to 40 minutes of runtime on the standard mode. To recharge the battery, it only takes a few hours to take it from 0 to full charge. The power head has really nice bristle brush roll, and also has special Shark design, which provides powerful suction and delivers powerful cleaning. I honestly thought the LED lights are not a big deal, but it really helps. It illuminates the hidden debris, especially on floors, the bare floors, like hardwood floors or tile. You can't always see it, especially if it's a tricky color. But with the LED light, that helps a lot to show you where you missed and make sure you get that area cleaned. Really big help, and I love that about this vacuum as well. If you look at other stick vacuums that are cordless, you will notice that the dust cup is a lot smaller than this one. This is an extra large canister for collecting dust, which also gives you the opportunity to pick up more dust in one run. Emptying it out is super easy. You just press the button, door flips open, and everything just falls into the trash. That mechanism is very nice, and it doesn't really fail when you're cleaning. It's not just going to pop open all of a sudden because the suction keeps it closed as well, besides the latch. Also, the streamlined body shape makes this vacuum great for going under furniture, such as under under coffee table, under couch. I have two dogs. One of them sheds more, and I've honestly noticed that it's picking up that hair very well off of carpet and off of the bare floor. It's also designed with that purpose. It's a great vacuum overall, but especially if you have pets, this is a good vacuum to have because the bristle brush roll system is very effective at capturing pet hair from carpets and rugs, also, of course, of the bare floors. The hypervelocity suction also helps with that very much. And the LED headlights are specifically designed to illuminate pet hair. That's cool, and that's what's unique about this vacuum. This particular model does not come with a charging dock. You just plug in the cord right into the vacuum, and that's how you charge it. It has really nice rubber pads on the vacuum head where you can just lay the vacuum on the floor, connect the charger, and let it charge safely that way. Very easy to handle the vacuum. It does not weigh much. It only is about 7 pounds, and you can take it up the stairs, move it around without any problems. It really is not heavy at all, and it's really easy to use. Here it is compared to a different model. That this is a very common shape and size of product that you'll find on online stores, and this is the Shark. So you can see that Shark is actually better built. It has a really nice head compared to this one. I still love this vacuum too, but you can see that the canister size is much smaller. Check that out. This one is about 3 times more capacity than this. And this is what you're going to see on a lot of the vacuums. And also, interesting fact is that the battery on this much more powerful vacuum is going to last about the same time or longer than these common vacuums. So that's the Shark Pet cordless vacuum. If you want to check out the current price or more details about it, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below so you can check the product out and possibly make a purchase. I do recommend this model if you're looking for a reliable cordless vacuum. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.